the 12 healthiest snacks with no carbs and no sugar. Eating less than 50 grams of carbs per day switches your body into fat-burning mode. Instead of running on glucose from carbohydrates, you begin burning body fat for fuel instead. Ketones from your fat keep you full by reducing hunger between meals, and they give you more energy and mental focus. But here's the catch: no carb, no sugar eating can get boring for people who like variety in their food. So here's a list of the healthiest, tastiest snacks and recipes with almost zero carbs or sugars. These are perfect for weight loss and adding variety and texture to your diet. Number 1 is Nutty chocolate bark. This is one of the easiest low-carb treats to make when you're craving something sweet. Melt 100 grams of sugar-free dark chocolate that is sweetened with stevia. Then you can stir in a handful of crushed macadamia nuts, pecans or Brazil nuts, or a mixture of the three. Spread the mixture onto a tray or a chocolate mold and freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes until it's solid. Break these up into pieces and store in the fridge for a quick, healthy snack. This snack is rich in soluble fiber, healthy fats, magnesium and antioxidants, but it doesn't give you the usual blood sugar crash that you get from eating regular chocolate. Number 2 is chia seed pudding. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with half a cup of liquid milk kefir that's unsweetened. Add a few drops of vanilla extract, cinnamon or liquid stevia if you like it sweeter. Let this soak in the fridge overnight and then eat it for breakfast or as a snack to keep you full between meals. The chia seeds release a gel and swell up into a pudding-like texture, which is rich in soluble fiber and plant protein. This is very good for gut health and preventing constipation, which is a common problem on a low-carb diet. Number 3 is also delicious: cheese pepper poppers. Take a few mini sweet peppers or jalapenos, slice them in half and remove the seeds. Then fill the cavity with grated or sliced mozzarella cheese. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it's soft and melty. I also like to add a sprinkle of herbs, chili flakes or a touch of garlic powder on top. The mozzarella melts beautifully and gives you that gooey, stretchy texture that we all love, but without the carbs. It's also rich in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K2, which support your bones, your brain and your hormones. This is perfect as a warm, satisfying snack when you need something a bit cheesy and comforting. 4. Keto chicken tenders. Slice chicken breast into strips and coat them in a mixture of crushed pork rinds and Parmesan cheese. Add spices like paprika, garlic or black pepper for extra flavour. This method creates a coating that has almost zero carbohydrates but with amazing texture. You can bake these or air fry them until they're golden and crispy. These high-protein tenders are very good for dipping in homemade mayo, guacamole or mustard. They have zero flour, zero sugar and they're totally addictive. Trust me, you won't tell the difference between these and regular chicken tenders. 5 is a berry yogurt bowl. This recipe is for those of you who need something sweet after a meal. It helps to satisfy those cravings without giving you a blood sugar spike and a crash. Start with a few spoonfuls of full-fat, unsweetened Greek yogurt, which is thick, creamy and loaded with protein. Add a small handful of chopped strawberries or raspberries. Both of these are among the lowest sugar fruits and they're rich in vitamin C, fiber and antioxidants. Then you can sprinkle it with cinnamon, a teaspoon of xylitol or erythritol to bring out the natural sweetness. This combo is satisfying, hydrating and great for your gut health thanks to the live cultures in the yogurt. The berries also add a refreshing texture whilst helping to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. 6. Beef jerky. Beef jerky is one of the best no-carb snacks for energy on the go, but only if you choose the right kind. Avoid jerky that has added sugars, soy sauce or maltodextrin, which is a sneaky filler that spikes your blood sugars faster than table sugar. Instead, look for clean options which are made from just aged beef, salt, and natural spices. Jerky is high in protein, B12, and iron, which help to support your metabolism, oxygen levels, brain, and red blood cells. These are perfect when you're traveling, hiking, or to keep cravings at bay. 7. Marinated mozzarella and olives. These are little fat bombs, rich, salty fruits that are packed with flavour. Toss a handful of mini mozzarella balls with Kalamata or green olives. Add a splash of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of dried oregano, and some crushed garlic. Let the mixture marinate in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to soak up all the flavours. This snack is absolutely bursting with oleic acid, calcium, and fat-soluble vitamins, which are great for your heart, brain, and hormones, and are perfect for grazing on between meals if you're hungry. 8. Grilled halloumi bites. Slice up some halloumi cheese and grill or pan fry it until golden and crispy on the outside. It will become soft and chewy in the middle, perfect for a snack. Halloumi is high in calcium and protein, keeping you full and supporting bone strength and relaxation. It's best enjoyed warm with a squeeze of lemon or a few fresh herbs on the top, like rosemary. 9. Garlic butter shrimp. If you love seafood, this one's a winner. Sauté a few peeled prawns or shrimp in a pan with some grass-fed butter. Add a pinch of garlic powder, sea salt, and a squeeze of lemon. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're pink and tender. Shrimp are naturally low in carbs, but they're high in iodine, selenium, and protein, which support thyroid health and metabolism. They taste wonderful hot or cold, and they make a lovely high-protein snack between meals. 10. Boiled eggs. Simple, reliable, and nutrient-dense. Boiled eggs are the perfect zero-prep snack. Just keep them in their shells in the fridge for up to 5 days after boiling them. They're rich in protein, healthy fats, choline and B vitamins, which support brain function, hormone production, and liver detoxification. I like to eat them with a pinch of sea salt and sprinkle some paprika when I'm hungry between meals. They're cheap, filling, and they will keep you satisfied for hours. Pasture-raised eggs are higher quality than the regular batch hen eggs, so choose these wherever possible. 11. No-Carb Ice Cream. If you've got a sweet tooth like us, this one is for you. You can find keto ice cream brands sweetened with erythritol or monk fruit, but making your own is just as easy, honestly. Blend full-fat cream or coconut cream with some vanilla extract and a natural sweetener of your choice, and then freeze it in small tubs for 2 to 3 hours. It's creamy, indulgent, and it's completely sugar-free. You can also try adding some strawberries to make a keto-friendly strawberry ice cream. 12. Crispy zucchini chips. If you miss that crispy, crunchy texture from regular snacks like crisps or crackers, try this. Slice some zucchini, also known as a courgette, into very thin rounds. Toss them with olive oil, sea salt, and optional spices like paprika, chili, or garlic powder. Spread them onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake at 110 degrees for 1.5 to 2 hours, flipping them halfway through. They come out golden and crisp, and they're perfect for dipping in guacamole or just eating them on their own. Zucchini is hydrating, it's low in carbs, and it's a good source of potassium, helping to balance electrolytes on a no-sugar, no-carb diet. And let's not forget about delicious zero-carb drinks. Be very careful with what you drink, as many of them have hidden carbs and sugars that can significantly slow down your weight loss. Here are some healthy low-carb cold drinks to sip on during the day, each of them with less than 2 grams of net carbs in a 12-ounce serving. You can drink sparkling water with berry-flavoured stevia drops or some mashed berries for a fruity twist. Or you could refrigerate brewed black coffee overnight, then blend it with some full-fat heavy cream for an almost zero-carb frappe. Mix sparkling water with fresh lemon juice and xylitol for a refreshing no-sugar lemonade. Or blend a half a cup of unsweetened coconut milk with ice, a few drops of vanilla extract and liquid stevia for a creamy sweet treat. These drinks contain almost zero carbs, but they help hydrate and satisfy the need for something tasty during the day. Some other wonderful drinks with almost zero carbs include peppermint tea, which is good for digestion, lemon balm tea, which reduces stress, green tea, which is good for energy and better focus, blue butterfly pea flower tea, which is known for supporting healthy blood sugar levels, and you can also enjoy some low-carb versions of your favourite warm drinks like hot chocolate, but you make it with unsweetened almond milk, raw cocoa powder and stevia for sweetness with no sugar. You can make a turmeric latte with coconut milk, turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper and stevia, which is a very warming, anti-inflammatory blend. You can drink bone broth, which is rich in collagen, amino acids and minerals that support your gut, muscles and joints. And of course, there's plain black coffee, simple, energizing and carb-free. These hot drinks contain almost no carbs or sugars, but please be careful with the store-bought options that may have some sugars, honey, milk powders or syrups hiding within them. Making these yourself at home is always the better option. If you'd like to see the healthiest no-carb everyday foods recommended for meals, watch the video that's on your screen now. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.